Hello and welcome back to Rainbow Chef Academy. My name is Amanda and today we will be making strawberry spinach salad. First, you want to have your mise en place ready. Let's list our ingredients. Here we have feta cheese, strawberries, spinach, some salt, vinegar, and oil. So for the dressing, we will be using balsamic vinegar and olive or grapeseed oil, or any vinegar or oil that you have at home. Our first step is to slice the strawberries. And to slice food, we will be using the claw method, which is a way to cut without injuring yourself. Now that our strawberries are sliced, we can make our dressing. What you will need is 4 tablespoons of oil and half a tablespoon of vinegar, along with a pinch of salt. To make the dressing, I'm going to mix all of the ingredients into the spritzer bottle. Now we are going to cap the bottle and shake it up to mix all of the ingredients together. Once we are done, I'm going to drizzle it all over the salad for our dressing. And you can just drizzle it all over evenly. Here is our finished product.
Hello, my name is Blake, and today at Rainbow Chef Academy we're going to make a very easy, simple thing that is called alligator. Today's mise en place, which means everything is where it's supposed to be. We have some strawberries, some blueberries, a yogurt, and whatever else you would want for decoration. You would go like this where the green is, and you hold it like a clock. So then when you cut it, it's nice, easy, and safe. Let's just do it again for this one. And yeah, that's all. So first, what you need to do is get the yogurt that you have and pour it like this in the middle. This is the alligator swamp. You don't need that much. Now that you have the alligator swamp, you get the 5 strawberries that you cut into pieces. You take one and you can design it however you want, how you want it, like this. So you put the first one that looks like a head in the front here. You would take the other one that kind of looks similar to that and you put them in the back here. So these would be the eyes. You take 2 blueberries that you have, and one eye. So then you want to get the final one that looks like that and start the trail behind. So then neck, and then you want to get the rest of the pieces and then just add the tail. You can design them however you want. Doesn't matter, you can make it leading this way. It doesn't matter that much. And then you have your alligator, but you still need to add the design. So you take some of this. You can do this in any sort. Take some of this and then you put it on the side to add design. So then now you have an alligator. You have an alligator. So yeah, thank you for watching and bye.
Hi, my name is Claire. Welcome to Rainbow Chef's Academy. Today we're going to be making strawberry trifles. First, we're going to wash our hands for 30 seconds so germs and bacteria are not on our hands when cooking. Now for my mise en place, we have fresh strawberries, heavy whipping cream, pound cake. You can also use lady fingers, cookies, or brownies, whatever you have at home, and blue vodka, cups. Now we're gonna cut our strawberries, then start cutting your strawberries. 𝗖𝗵𝗼𝗽𝗶. Hi Rainbow Chefs, it's so great to be with you today. So with Claire, we're going to make some awesome whipping cream. So Claire, do you want to tell us what we're going to do first? Yeah, sure. So we're going to put 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into this bowl. Then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of blue agave. Then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of this vanilla flavor. What is agave? Do you even know what that is? I'm pretty sure it's from cactuses and it tastes exactly like maple syrup. Oh my god, that's great. What is it a replacement for? Do you know? What was your question? What is it a replacement for? Sugar. Awesome. Okay. Then do you want to do the measurement of the extract? Can you smell the vanilla? It smells so good. It does. So now, Rainbow Chefs, we're going to use a technique called whisking. So Claire's going to hand me a whisk over here, and because we're extra cool Rainbow Chefs, we're going to do this by hand. So to whisk, you're going to hold the whisk by the handle. I like gripping it like you're holding a pencil, kind of. And then you're going to kind of tilt your bowl at an angle. You can rest it so it doesn't spill. And then your arm's going to kind of go in a circular motion. That way you're whipping as much air into the whipped cream, which morally makes it puffy and whipped, similar to a cloud. So I'm going to show you that right now. Now we're going to be cutting our pound cake. Alright, now we're going to make our strawberry cookies, right? So since we now have cut up our pound cake, we are going to take this spoon, put it on the bottom of this cup that we have. Now, we grab some of our crumbled pound cake and we kind of sprinkled it here. Then we put the bowl. Now, since we're done with that layer, we're going to take our strawberries that I have freshly cut. Now we layer them on top of the whipped cream. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. You got it. Now we put more whipped cream on top. Now since we're out of whipping cream, sadly, we're gonna have to do our last layer. What I like to do on the last layer is I like to half and half it. So I'll have pound cake and strawberries. And then we're done since we have no more whipping cream. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and like. And a special thanks to 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗍 for joining me on this special cooking with you guys. Thank you.